everyone, welcome to Cosmic Kids. I'm Jaime and this is your place for yoga, stories and fun. It's easy, just copy the moves I do and enjoy the adventure. Now we always start in the same way, and that's by sitting on our bottoms, crossing our legs and bringing our hands together at our hearts to say our secret yoga code word, which is Namaste. Ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3. Namaste. There. Now we're ready to begin. So let's take a look through our cosmonoculars and find out who we're meeting today. Joining our thumbs and fingers together, have a look through. Oh, look at those colours and those shapes. What beautiful patterns spinning around. Can you see the picture? It's a cat. It's Clover the cat. Oh, what's Clover doing? She's doing yoga. She's doing a tree pose. Lowering our hands. Clover is a cat who loves to bake cakes, and she lives in the town of Shamrocksville. Let's do a cat pose for Clover. Coming onto our hands and knees, we arch our back and look into our tummy. Then we dip our bellies down and lift our chest to wiggle waggle our tails, saying meow. But everyone in Shamrocksville seems to think that Clover is unlucky, especially when she crosses the road for some reason. So Clover decides to prove everyone wrong by becoming the luckiest cat in all of Shamrocksville. Maybe then her cakes will be discovered. As the sun rises, Clover stretches her paws forwards, lowers her chest to the ground, makes her back nice and long, ready to find some lucky charms. With 4 paws on the floor, she tucks her toes and presses her hips to the sky, paddling her paws as she walks across the rolling green hills, wondering when she might find some hidden lucky treasures. Lo and behold, Clover comes across a field full of bright green shamrocks, a classic lucky charm. Walking our feet towards our hands, she gets to work picking as many of the shamrocks as she can. Then she rolls up to stand and reaches all the way back behind her to put them in her backpack. One step closer to becoming the luckiest cat in all of Shamrocksville. Clover feels the pitter-patter of rain on her head. Let's use our fingers to pitter-patter on our heads and our faces, all the way down our body and our legs, all the way back up again, and our arms and the other arms. It does rain a lot in Ireland, but that's what makes it so beautiful and green. It's why they call it the Emerald Isle. The sun is still beaming through the clouds, making the most amazing rainbow appear. Let's do a rainbow pose. Coming down to 2 knees, taking our arms wide, we stretch our leg to the side. We drop a hand down and sweep our top arm all the way up and over, making an amazing rainbow. Seeing the rainbow gives Clover an idea. Let's do our rainbow pose on the other side. Coming back to 2 knees, arms wide, stretching our other leg long to the side and dropping down onto our hand. We sweep our top arm all the way up and over, making an arcing rainbow on the other side. Very good, everyone. If only Clover can find the end of the rainbow, she'll find all the luck she could ever need. A pot of gold, maybe, or even a leprechaun. Feeling powerful and positive, Clover stands up. Up we come to stand, everyone. She takes big striding steps, 1 for each colour of the rainbow. Let's begin with red. Here we go. Red! And all the way back. Next, orange. Ready? Orange! And all the way back. Yellow next. Here we go. Yellow! And all the way back. What's next? Green. Yes. Big step for green. and all the way back. What's next? Blue, yes, blue, and all the way back. And what colour's next? Indigo, yes, indigo, and all the way back. And the last one, violet, yes, violet, all the way forwards and all the way back. Very good, everyone. But every time Clover thinks she's getting to the end of the rainbow, it seems to get further away. She takes a seat on her bottom with her legs crossed, having a little rest for a moment by this lovely stream. All of a sudden, she sees a little Pixie Man crouched on a rock. Let's come into a crouch position, up onto our feet, snuggling our arms in between our knees and pressing our hands together. The little Pixie Man has an orange beard, and on his head is a big green hat. He has a sad look on his face. He's a leprechaun. The leprechaun sees Clover, and it's as if he reads her mind. He says, "Ah, young lass, I've been chasing rainbows and guarding pots of gold for centuries, and I've realised that real treasure isn't at the end of the rainbow. True luck is made through the effort you put into achieving your dreams. Those who believe in luck alone often end up disappointed. The true path to success lies in your own hands. If you want to find your treasure, you must listen to yourself. Move towards what you love doing and believe in yourself." Hearing this wisdom, Clover stands up in a mountain pose. Up we come to stand, bring those feet a little bit closer and our arms down by our side, feeling strong like a mountain. She lets this wisdom settle in as she closes her eyes and she focuses on her breath, listening to herself, doing as the leprechaun said. She listens to the sounds around her, feels her paws on the ground. She notices the breath coming in and going out as she embraces this present moment. Clover's mind begins to clear and she gets a sense of what she loves doing. Baking cakes. All this hunting for rainbows really has been a waste of time. She opens her eyes to see the leprechaun has disappeared. But with a newfound focus and determination, Clover heads back home to Shamrocksville. There, she dedicates herself to becoming the best baker in town, tying on her apron. Let's reach back behind us and pat ourselves on the back and reach underneath and see if we can find our fingers to tie on our apron. Then we lower our hands and do it the other way, reaching our other hand down our back and our other hand up through the middle, seeing if we can find our fingers, yes, to tie on our apron. Now, Clover gets to work. Sitting down on our bottoms, legs out long in front of us, she reaches up high for all of her mixing bowls and spoons and pops them down on the worktop. Ooh. Taking our arms wide, she twists one way to get all of the ingredients she could possibly need to bake lots and lots of cakes, and bringing them round and popping them on the worktop. Ooh. Arms wide again, she twists the other way to get lots and lots of recipes. All the research she does into all the different cakes you can bake, bringing them round to the front and putting them on the worktop. Ooh. Then it's practice time. Stretching legs out wide, she gets to work practicing all the different cake recipes. Lifting up one foot to go mix it, mix it, mix it. And putting that one down. And the other side, picking up this one, mix it, mix it, mix it. And putting that one down. Steadily, her skills develop with every success and failure. And soon, word begins to spread about Clover's exceptional cake baking skills. Stretching our legs out long in front of us again, all the phones are ringing in every household. Bring, 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 bring. That's the telephone. Let's answer it. Hello? Yes, that Clover the cat. In fact, she is a very, very talented baker. I know, we were wrong, Pauline. Putting that phone down. Bring, 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 bring. That's another telephone. Hello? Yes, I know, she is not unlucky at all. I know, we were wrong. Did you know? It's a revelation. She is not unlucky. She is a hard-working cat, that young Clover. Yes, and she's opening her very own new bakery. Lowering our foot. Well, would you believe Clover the cat opens the doors to her very own bakery? Let's do our grand opening door pose. Coming up to 2 knees, leg to the side, arm to the sky, and we open up with a ta-da! Now we open on the other side, coming all the way back to centre, leg to the other side, arm to the sky, and opening the other side. Ta-da! Right in the heart of Shamrocksville, serving the most delicious cakes and pastries, and Clover calls her bakery the Lucky Cat. Coming to sit with our legs crossed. And so Shamrocksville knew Clover to be the cat who proved that true luck is not found, but made, through the belief that your dreams can come true with hard work and dedication. Let's lie down and enjoy some relaxation time. Coming to lie with our legs long and our arms down by our side. We let our bodies relax as we take a big deep breath in through our nose and out through our mouth. Letting our eyes closed, being in our most peaceful place. We often think doing well at something is because of luck, but it's never all it is. Honest, steady, hard work and dedication are more likely to help you make your dreams come true over and above any luck. Just as we learnt with Clover the cat. Listen to your heart. Follow what you love doing. Practice and fail. Keep going. Over time, success will come. Now it's time to wake up. We wiggle our toes. We wiggle our fingers. We hug our knees into our chest and we roll over onto our sides, opening our eyes, pressing ourselves up to sit with our legs crossed and our hands together at our hearts to finish just the way we started, with our secret yoga code word, which is Namaste. Ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3. Namaste. Wow, you were amazing in our Clover the Cat story. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you again soon for another Cosmic Kids adventure. Bye-bye.